So welcome back guys. Today we are going to start with the AMP practical, that is your Android practical, and we are going to start with the practical 2. Into the last video we are done with practical 1, which was all about displaying hello world and understanding how to create the new project and the virtual device. And now we are going to start with the practical 2, which is all about working with themes, styles, colors, strings and drawable. So let's get started guys. This is the code. I'll make you understand this code, and then we'll perform this all in Android Studio. Okay, so let's get started. First let's create a new project. Okay, so let's create a new project. This actually I've actually tried this earlier. I can explain these codes from here only to you, but okay, what we'll be doing, we'll create this entirely, and so let's try this. Just a second, let's understand it by doing. Empty. Okay, so this will be app 2. Okay, finish it. Yeah. So first, let's understand what are these themes, styles, colors, strings, and drawable. Now see guys, styles. Before that, we have to create this colors.xml. We have to add one more color into the colors. These are the primary colors which are by default there into the Android Studio. You can see when I'll go here, I'll expand this. See, when I maximized this, no, we have this colors. We have already these three colors. These are primarily available here only. If I want any more color, you can see green color, this pink color. These three colors are already available and we can use it anywhere in our application. Okay, but if I want more colors to be used, okay, instead of writing the code again and again, I just want to use its name. So what I can do is I can mention it here. See what I'll do, I'll press enter. Just a second, this is the XML file, you know, this is the UI file. Okay, from here text we can do it by writing the code, and from here we can do it, we can perform we can create the UI using these drag and drop what to say components. Okay, and this is the backend file. So first of all, we'll go into the colors.xml and add one more color. What we have to do is like this. You have here tips or auto completion, you can say. You can it will allow you to just write one single letter and it will show you the related things with it. Okay, so enter. See now, I want to give the color name as white. Okay, close it. Now white, okay, you have given the color name, but you have to specify the body of it, means you have to specify the color code for it. And if you this might possible that for the white color you don't remember its color code, so all you have to do is just simply go to the Chrome, and actually it is FFFF, but you, for you, okay, I'll go there. See, FFFFFF. Okay, so we'll copy it from here, we'll go into the Android Studio and we'll paste it there. Okay, so you can see here white color has appeared. If you want to add more colors, you can add similarly. Okay, like this. I want to add brown color. Okay, okay. Till when I'll not put up the code for the color, it will not show you here. Okay, so I'll go here, I'll write color code brown. Here it is. Okay, so this is the color code. Copy it from here, paste it there. Okay, yeah, here you go. We got the brown color as well. Now what I'll be doing, I'll be going in this XML file into the text. Now you can see I'm having this as black. See, this is black, right? But I don't want it as black. I want it to be as white. So what I'll be doing is I'll go into the text one side. I'll press enter after hello world Android. First of all, guys, id is very important, so that if you want to perform any function at the back end on this text view, you can refer this text view using this id. So this is the starting, this always has to be there at the rate plus id, then you have to specify your id name. Okay, so this is the id I have given. Then Android, I want to give it color. Okay, so this is the, you can see brown and green colors are already available there. There is no need to write any code for it, nothing you have to write. You have to just press enter. I want it in white. Okay, so you can see here, now it will appear as white. See, now actually you're not able to see it as we are having the background of different color. You can see here. Okay, hope you are getting it, guys. Okay, see, but I'll mention here pink. See, it's showing it red. Why? Because this color is not mentioned into the colors.xml file. Okay, in this file it is not shown, thus it will show you red. That create a color resource file pink.xml, or what you want to do, create a color value resource pink. You have to perform any of these things, then only you will be able to use that color. Okay, so now let's keep it white. Okay, so the other thing about, now first thing is done, we are done with the colors one thing. Okay, so this is done. Our next thing is about drawable. Now see, in drawables, I want this background. Okay, so I want this background to be used in our new application. So what I'll be doing here, either you can, just a second, you can add a new image asset from here. It will allow you to add the what to say, the default images they have. Okay, background, legacy, wherever you want you can keep it, clip art, text. Okay, but I don't want it from here, I want it from my own folder. So I'll go into the Chrome, I will take a teddy image. I want a teddy image. Okay, okay, I want a teddy image. Okay, just a second, just a second. So let's try to download this photo. Okay, we'll go with this because this will maximize the entire space for the mobile phone. So let's save it. App 2. Okay, so it's downloaded. Now what we have to do is we have to go into the downloads folder. We have to copy this from here, and we have to go into our application. into this drawables, you have to paste it. Okay, yeah, this will be the only name. Okay, so it is pasted now. So what I can do is, now what I want guys is I want this background, right? I want this background to be here. So what I'll do, I'll press this. You will find here the background. Wait. Yeah, here we go. And our background will be this. If you remember the entire commands, that will be great. If not, if you are finding any problem, if you are not able to remember each and every command, you can use these tool tips, you can say, or the auto completion, the mechanism it has, you can use that. So to see whether it has came or not, you can go into the design. See, it is there. Okay guys, yeah, so I will increase the size of it. You can increase it like that, or otherwise what you can do is you can go here and you can increase the size. We'll keep text size. Yeah, that's good enough. We'll take this a bit lower. So I want margin from top. Yeah. A bit upper, so I'll make it 300. No, 250. That's better, but a bit more upper. 30. Okay, 200. Yeah, so that's better. I'll write hello world. This is me, Teddy. Okay, yeah, that's great. Okay, so till now we have kept this, the background image. So we have done the two things. That is all about the this colors, and then we kept this background image using this drawable. The next thing we are gonna see is styles and strings. Okay, so just a second. So next thing is this. So we are going to do the style and these strings. So first what I'll be doing, I'll create the other element, that is string name, my string, and we'll keep these three, we'll have these three items into it. Okay, so first we'll do that. Okay, so then further you can see, you can have the entire thing for the text view. You can have width, you can have height, you can have top margin that we have set just now, you can have end margin, everything you can set. You can have the gravity as a central horizontal, center horizontal, and text size, everything you can get. Okay, so first what I'll be doing, I'll have this string in this. Okay, yeah, this is the default one, this will always be there. So we'll have items. Okay, so see, now we have created this, now we will use this in that. So we will use it here now, guys. What we'll be doing, see, if the strings are ready, and we'll go into this, and we have to now create one more text view actually. Just a second, wait, just a second. Yeah, so here's the text view. We'll keep it okay, tab content only, and we'll be having the Android text ID, which is more important, very important. Okay, so text to ID will be, and I'll give it the color as primary color, we'll be having it. Okay, so Android, its top margin will be, now this is 200, so this I'll keep it as 250 TP. Okay, so yeah, so I'll be having the text now, I'll be having the text now, and see, here you go, it is showing you my string. So when you'll be doing this, just a second, I'll be closing it like that only, the standalone element, and I'll be having these all the things same as above. Okay, I'll not write this again, I'll just paste it up. Okay, so here we go. See, is it visible to you here? Okay, I'll make it a bit lower, it will be 80, and I'll be having the text, we'll be having the text. So till now we are done with these three things, guys, that is the color, strings, and drawable. Now we are going to do the styles. Okay, so what I'll do, I'll go into styles, then I'll add the style. See, guys, it is the app theme which is already created here. This is the app theme, which is the default theme which is already created there in the styles dot file. You can see here in the styles.xml file, you can go and see app theme. It is the name of the style, it is already created there. And this is the parent theme of it. So all you can do is you can create the another one style here, or you can add the item into the above theme only, but I'll add another one style here. Okay, so I'll do one thing, I'll keep it as my style. Okay, and I'll give the parent as um, themes dot I want. Let's keep it as day night. Okay, so these are the default themes, these are parent themes. We can keep it here like that. Okay, I'll close it actually here. We'll have the items in it. Let's keep it as primary color will be, its primary color will be I cannot give it as my name. I need to specify this theme will have the primary color as, just a second, color primary will be um, white will be the primary color. Then I'll have the button color. Okay, I'll have the button bar style as I'll have it as I'll do it as app theme na, it will be having the same color as a as there it is mentioned about. If it is mentioned about, we'll use that. So I'll use this. Okay, so it is done. So these two colors will be used if I'll use this theme. So I'll go here. Either I can use the theme here, up here, or I can use the theme here also. First I'll make it this italic or bold. Just a second. You can see text style we have. I'll make it as bold. And Android, you can see theme. I'm having the theme and I can use my style. Okay, the theme as my style. Okay, so what will happen is, you can see its color is changed and it is having the theme as my style. Okay, so actually I've used here is DP. That's okay, but that's okay, you can use it. Okay, so it is done. We have seen how to use, how to create my styles, how to create strings. Strings, the advantage of string is if you want somewhere to write the entire string and don't want to write it into the text view again and again, you can once you can specify it there into the strings.xml file, and then you can use it directly here. And okay, we have seen the colors to define the default colors, and then you can use it in the styles, you can use it in the styles, and even you can change the text color by itself by using the colors.xml, as we have done it here, text color. And you can have the theme style by creating the style or theme into the styles.xml file. And what we have else seen, you can perform various things with the text view and many other components. So in the next video, what we are going to do, guys, is we'll see this entire, just a second, we'll see this entire thing. We will actually perform the practical 3, which is about programming activities and fragments. Okay, so we'll learn this entire programming activity life cycle into the next video. Till then, hope you guys understood this entire thing, this entire explanation. If not, please mention in the comment section below. And till then, bye bye guys, have a good day. See you in the next video.